For those that live in Washington, getting a fresh apple can be as easy as going to the grocery store, or if you're really lucky, plucking it right off the tree. But for other countries, getting that amazing Washington produce takes a little more work. Ernesto Cardona is the CEO of Austral Trading in Mexico. He and his company work day in and day out to bring produce from all over the world into the country for Mexican consumers.
This is a family business. I'm a fourth generation doing the same.
Really?
Yeah.
Did you always know you were going to be doing this?
Yes.
there was no question.
Since my grandfather, no?
Okay, there was no question.
Yeah.
What types of produce come through this facility?
Well, from Washington, maybe more than 45 different varieties in apples. Okay. And in pears, 15 different varieties. The fruit from Washington is the best fruit, no? Because of the flavor, because you can store it for a while, because the varieties, no? They're running a lot of varieties and new varieties. Yeah. Not only with the pears, also with the apples. The consumption is increasing a lot in Mexico, no? Because we're looking for the best for our bodies, no? For our health.
Once the trucks have been unloaded, the fruit is sent to markets like Central del Abasto. From here, sellers can buy as many apples as they want to sell to their consumers.
People come to these warehouses every single day.
Yeah.
Imagine that, to buy from a couple of boxes to a few pallets.
Juan Carlos Moriera represents the Washington Apple Commission and Northwest cherry fruit growers here in Mexico. He thinks the partnership between Mexico and Washington's farmers is a match made in heaven.
You can have a truckload with apples here in less than a week.
And that's an impressive journey because we're a little over, 2,000, 3,000 miles from Washington? What are you hearing from the people of Mexico when they encounter our fruit? What are they saying about it?
Well, the first thing that they like is the uniformity, the color, and the crunch. Mexico is not self-sufficient producer of apples. So we do need to import apples, and Washington apples are the best match.
When I go to Washington, I feel good, I feel better, because I see how the growers and the packers are developing the infrastructure and all the things to increase the quality, the volumes. They're having the fruit in their veins. It's amazing, it's great.